Hello, welcome to the Hilton London Metropole. So, hi Diana.
Hello.
We want to show you a bit of how we do things during this time. So, just to tell you a bit about our check-in and check-out and front office procedures. This is our sign. So, to keep the social distancing, we have the marking on the floor, and we have as well the ropes. As we have Diana on today, so right now we're working on 3 people per shift, and that's as well to keep in line with the social distancing. We have learned as well when we started to operate that we needed as well the concierge team back with us, and that was to help with the deliveries that were coming in for the guests that were staying with us.
I'm Ignacio and I'm part of the F&B team that is staying in the hotel. We've made some really exciting changes on the operation to adapt it to these new circumstances. The first one of which is ensure that the social distancing rules are being followed. We have some signs on the floor and we have some signs that establish the 2 meters distance. When it comes to the breakfast, it's a takeaway operation. The guests can choose between different cold options, including fruits and pastries, and some warm options. And then they also have a juice station and a coffee station. What we get there is that there are not too many people at the same time, and they can just get their food and go. When it comes to lunch and dinner, they can pre-order a menu with 24 hours, or they also have this weekly menu. It's a reduced menu, and the innovation is that they can actually just scan the QR code, and then there will be a web page in their phones, and they can just order the food and charge it either to the room or to the credit cards. They just come here, pick it up, take it to the room.
We're currently producing 1,500 meals a day across the 3 meal periods: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now obviously when you're dealing with that kind of volume, you've got to bear in mind obviously the social distancing practices. Now, if you look around the room, it might look like a scene out of CSI Miami, but it's actually a very deliberate and very intentional way to really highlight the importance of what we're trying to put in place and really make sure that our guests feel reassured that we are putting into place the social distancing practices. But it's not just about the guests feeling safe and secure, it's also about the team members as well, that they have the confidence to be able to be in front of the guests and serving the food at the same time. When you're dealing with that many packs food, the challenge that we have is how to make it fresh. So putting the guys behind the line and put into a box when the guest is in front of us, it really helps protect the integrity of the food a little bit better. But obviously our main focus is really making sure that we do it in the most safe, responsible way possible.